here in Alpine Air Park.
Yeah, so they called me up last minute and I figured, why not? Let's do it. Let's do one last adventure before the summer ends.
So far the trip's been amazing. We headed out to Utah to pick up our friends, and then we loaded the Traeger grills into the Kodiak and we headed out to Wyoming. We got some short rib skewers, shrimp skewers, an awesome corn salad, some homemade ribs.
This place is amazing. First night is already in the books.
I still can't believe this all came together. The guys at Himalaya organized the ultimate adventure. We flew into this backcountry strip. They picked us up in these amazing trucks, and now we're at this off-the-grid cabin. We're about to get fly fishing lessons.
We're cooking food, we're flying around planes, helicopters. It's been amazing.
This trip has been an absolute blast. We just got back from adventuring all day and we're about to eat the last meal of this trip. I can't wait to see what it is.
Little one?
We have some venison racks, reverse seared racks of lamb, smoked steelhead, roasted carrots with a gremolata, fresh bread, nice salad, fish with s'mores.
Good food, awesome cars, awesome airplanes. Couldn't get any better.